Dealing with ants in your shower drain is more common than you might think, and it can really mess with your peace at home. But don't worry, there are some pretty simple ways to deal with these little pests without going all chemical warfare on them. We are bighomeprojects.com, and we help connect homeowners with trusted contractors and help provide work opportunities for contractors. Let's talk about 7 effective methods to kick those ants to the curb for good. Number 1, use vinegar and baking soda. This classic combo is not just for baking. Start by pouring some baking soda down the drain. It'll dry out the ants' exoskeletons. Then follow it up with vinegar. The fizzy reaction not only helps dislodge any debris, but also takes care of the ants. After that, flush it out with hot water to clear away any leftovers. It's eco-friendly and probably something you've got in your kitchen already. Number 2, pour boiling water. It's as straightforward as it sounds. Just heat up a pot of water and pour it down the drain carefully. Watch out for burns. The hot water will kill the ants and help clear soap scum too. It's a quick and effective way to maintain your drains and keep things chemical-free. Number 3, apply a dish soap solution. Mix equal parts of dish soap and water in a spray bottle, then generously spray around the shower drain. Let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing it away. This method cuts through the ants' exoskeletons and breaks down residues that attract them. Plus, it's gentle on your plumbing, making it a solid option for ongoing prevention. Number 4, implement diatomaceous earths. Sprinkle this powder around your shower drain. It's a natural insecticide that dehydrates ants when they come into contact with it. Just make sure you're using food-grade stuff. It's safe for humans and pets but spells doom for insects. It works great as a long-term solution without introducing chemicals into your home. Number 5, seal entry points. Take a good look around your bathroom for any cracks or gaps where ants could be sneaking in. Use silicone caulk to seal those openings. Not only does this keep ants out, but it also helps prevent moisture leaks that could attract them in the first place. Number 6, maintain cleanliness. Regularly cleaning your shower and bathroom can deter ants from making themselves at home. Make sure to dry surfaces after use since moisture attracts them. Pay extra attention to any cleaning products or toiletries that might spill. Even these can lure ants in if left unattended. Number 7, set up ant traps designed for wet environments near the shower drain. These traps contain bait that attracts and poisons ants over time. If you're worried about safety around kids or pets, look for non-toxic options. Traps can serve as a reliable backup when other methods just aren't cutting it. If you want to dive deeper into pest control solutions or need help finding local contractors who specialize in this area, check out bighomeprojects.com. They connect you with trusted professionals who can tackle ant infestations and keep your home pest-free with ease.